Hello friends, welcome to the Law Teller YouTube channel. This is Kollur Ramanjal advocate from the Mova. Now I am explaining about the toll-free number of the Anti-Corruption Bureau. Anti-Corruption Bureau toll-free number is the 1400. When you have faced bribes in the government officials and government offices, you may call the ACB Anti-Corruption Bureau toll-free number 1400. This is the most important to control the bribe in the India. So friends, please bear in your mind, ACB Anti-Corruption Bureau toll-free number is 1400. When you suffered a lot of the problems from the government officials, when the government officials want the and ask the bribe from you, you may call now. You may call after 1400 for the filing a complaint against the such that government officer or government employee. This is Kollur Ramanjalu. Once again, I am telling about the ACB Anti-Corruption Bureau toll-free number 1400. So friends, I will meet you in next video. So please subscribe my channel. Please wait until the coming the next video. Thank you friends.